What it is, everybody? Thanks for tuning back in here to another episode here on the Speedbug channel. We got a quick episode here today, quick about some more parts and an update here on Snow White, the crazy 1,000+ horsepower Corvette that I actually have building. Now, as you guys know, the car is at Lashway Motorsports, and the build is coming along great. So, car is all ripped apart. And of course, when I do the reveal and everything like that, when I get the car back, of course, there'll be a stage progress and stuff like that of the images and the progress of the car that I was able to capture. But as you guys already saw, got some tires, got the new supercharger, new pistons, rods, everything that's going to obviously go along with it. But we got some new parts. They're a little bit overkill, but I kind of wanted to get it because not a lot of people have them, or not a lot of people have done them. So what this is these are solid mounts for the engine and transmission. And I figured I'd share this with you guys because I have solid mounts and have had them in other cars, but I have them currently as well in my Trans Am, and I love them. So we'll pull this one open right here, which is going to be an engine mount because I did open this one already. Let me go ahead and get this open and show you. As you guys can see it all coming up. They're all CNC machined out of aluminum with obviously steel studs. Or chromoly studs, I can't remember. Either way, it doesn't matter. These are from LG Motorsports, and you can see their logo has been engraved in there. And this one is for the engine. So this will obviously go into the cradle where the engine sits underneath the car. And of course, then one will obviously go into the engine mount, which I believe this one goes into the engine mount. But anyway, it doesn't matter. So we obviously have this one for each side, and then we also have some for the transmission and diff as well. So the entire drivetrain now is actually going to be solidly mounted to the car. Now, some people in the past have had this, said, I hate the vibration, I don't like it, it's way too rough for the street, this, that, whatever. Shoot, that may be for you, but I personally love it. I don't mind the the rubber mount or the urethane mount, but I personally and prefer the solid mounts. And the Trans Am currently has them. Those are by Spoon Performance that are currently in them. I've had them in my Mustangs, my Cobras, all that stuff, and I love them. So with this build and everything like that, and also the perk of solid mounts, whatever's coming out of the drivetrain is getting transferred right to the tires. Obviously, hopefully you don't have a lot of deflection and stuff within your suspension, control arms or anything like that, but there isn't going to be any crazy shake or anything like that. But yes, you do get a little bit more vibration through the car. But I wanted to share that with you guys and let you know that the build is coming along. We should have the car back hopefully in maybe about 2 or 3 weeks. This will be going in as well with the tires and the supercharger and everything else that's kind of going along with it. And I am excited to get it back. So this is just another cool part. And if you have a C7 Corvette, whether it's a Z06, Stingray, ZR1, these will fit. It is just designed for the car itself, and it will work. So, but that's gonna wrap it up here for today's video. If you guys like what you saw, make sure you check me out also on Instagram and Facebook at the Speedbug, same name here as YouTube, and we will see y'all for another episode here on the Speedbug channel. Deuces, guys.